This is my 3D printer, and I've just installed this new hot plate here, and I looked at the hot plate box there, and my immediate question is, what's inside it? So I opened it, and that's very interesting. Two buttons there and there. I have no idea what those do, because there's no actual space for the buttons there. There is no display panel to show this. So I'm really not quite sure what that does. My only guess, and look, they've used screw-on terminals here and here, and this whole case has a feeling of 3D printed plastic. There is a secondary wire here, secondary wire here, and the main wire here going out. And of course, this is the input wire. It's supposed to be 12 volts, and the transformer is 12 volts. Now I'm running 14, so I want to see whether this can actually take 14 volts. Now that, I'm thinking, could be temperature display. I don't know. I'll have to look up this interesting series number here and see what the heck this board is. Interesting. I'm glad I took it apart. Next, I'll have to see whether it works. So I had a quick look online, and I noticed this number, which says 12V 24V. It says 3001 12V 24V underscore 321 227, something like that. Anyway, the interesting thing is it says 12V 24V, which makes me suspect that this will run off 12 to 24 volt. So let's just put some power through it and see if it goes bang. That tells me 14.1, which tells me that that's the voltage. 14.2, 14.3, 14.4, 14.5. That's not voltage, that's temperature. Yeah, that is definitely temperature. So it's clearly working. Am I feeling, and yep, that is temperature. So that is clearly working. Okay, and it's working off my 14 volt power supply. We're good.